James Banfield with Terra Speakers. We're going to be running over our 5.2 speaker and a competitor speaker to test durability. It feels like it's about 2 degrees because the wind is about 30 miles an hour at times, and I would say 28 degrees maybe, if that.
Harsh winter conditions.
Not fun. Our 5.2 speaker, because of the cabinet design as well as the materials we use, will survive absolutely fine, no issues, and then the competitor speaker will crush and fall apart.
We put our lifetime warranty to the test.
With your huge truck.
With my huge truck.
Much of a run over. Ours looks perfectly fine and almost brand new.
One felt like a bag of chips, the other one felt like a nice solid piece of granite.